What happens if you try to shoot a bow and arrow on every planet? On Earth, you pull back the string and hit a clean bullseye, a very satisfying thwack. On the Moon, there is no air resistance and low gravity. Your arrow flies perfectly straight for 3 miles, completely overshooting the target. On Mercury, it is 800 degrees. Before you can even aim, your wooden bow bursts into flames and turns to ash in your bony hands. On Venus, the atmosphere is 90 times thicker than Earth. You fire, but the heavy, toxic air stops the arrow mid-flight, where it instantly melts into a puddle of glowing sludge. On Mars, the thin air makes for a great shot, right until a violent dust storm snaps the arrow in half and blows your target away. On Jupiter, extreme gravity makes the bow impossibly heavy. You fire, but the arrow is violently yanked straight down, shattering into the dirt a few inches from your feet. On Saturn, you try to line up a shot, but 1,000-mile-per-hour winds instantly rip the bowstring and arrow sideways out of existence. On Uranus, it is negative 370 degrees. You pull the frozen bowstring back, and the entire weapon violently shatters into a million icy shards. On Neptune, you aim into a dark blue storm, but raining diamonds aggressively pelt your skull and split your arrow in half before you even release it. On Pluto, the gravity is practically zero. The exact second you release the high-tension bowstring, the recoil violently launches you backward into a permanent tumbling orbit.